All right, today's AWS service is AWS Detective. Uniquely named service, and I think appropriately named. I think the important thing to realize about AWS and how they're approaching their services, their add-on services. If you're a builder and you've built a serverless application using S3, Lambda, RDS, you run into second level operational problems. How do you ensure that you're getting the right performance from your application, the right cost factors? There's CloudGuru that helps analyze your code and ensure you're building your applications to the best standards and practices, even some security elements of that. But what if you have active threats against your application? Do you go out and hire a whole team of security experts? Or do you look towards a product like AWS Detective to either mitigate some of the risk of needing to hire an entire team or augment your security team to be able to analyze AWS specific deployments to enable kind of this AI ML capability around your current capability? AWS Detective doesn't require you to enable CloudWatch, but it will look at those logs from those services for threats and report on them, so you can either escalate them to your security team or development team, or you can just simply test to see if your application security is actually doing what you designed it to do. You want to learn more about the CTO Advisor? You can follow us on the web, thectoadvisor.com. AWSeveryday.com is where you can subscribe to the newsletter to get this goodness in your inbox every weekday. Talk to you soon.